Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable or disable and also configure your Windows 11 firewall. So, if you are having any issues with the firewall or if you want to make your PC secure by enabling the firewall, then this video is for you. To enable or disable the firewall, first go to the search bar and search for Control Panel. Once you get into the Control Panel, you need to click on the System and Security tab. Now, inside the System and Security tab, you can see the Windows Defender Firewall. Simply click on the Windows Defender Firewall, and then from here you can see the active status of your firewall. Now, to turn it on or off, you can click on this particular option right here which says Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Simply click on this option and it might ask you to enter your administrative password. Then you can see this page. It will give you two options, one for the private network and the other for the public network. If you want to disable the Windows Defender Firewall, simply select these two options for both of them. Then, once you have selected to turn off the Windows Defender Firewall, simply click on the OK button. And now you can see that the status has changed to off. And as you can see that the firewall is now disabled. Now, if you already have a disabled firewall, to enable it, simply click on this button right here and the steps are same. However, you need to click on this toggle right here which says Turn on Windows Defender Firewall. You may do this for both the public and private network for better security. You have another option which says block all incoming connections including those in the list of allowed apps. It is not recommended to enable this option as it will give you many issues regarding to connectivity. So keep it to the default settings and only allow this option and in this setting only. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.